Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Casio W59. This is going to be a great alternative to the Casio F91W. As you can see, it comes in this cardboard box. We are going to take it out, and here on the back you can see that we are going to have the manual. And here we have the watch. As you can see, very similar to the Casio F91W. Let's take it off. So as you can see, it has this cardboard support as well. And the tag seems to be in here. So W59W1VQES. And this is how the watch looks. Very similar to the Casio F91W. I have the original one right here. So as you can see, although very similar, you can see that there is a lot different going on, starting from the lugs, as you can see right here with the case. Then we also have the colors. As you can see, this blue is more vibrant. We have 50 meters right here written bigger. When it comes to the buttons, you're going to have the same buttons. You can also compare it to the F105. As you can see, this is going to be a lot bigger. And also we have the W86, which is once again a bigger version compared to this one. Now, the first thing that we need to talk about is going to be the case size. So we have a lug-to-lug width of 37.1 millimeters, so this distance right here. Then we have a width of 33.6 millimeters and the case thickness of 8.7 millimeters, and the weight is going to be just 22 grams. So this is going to feel very easy on the wrist. You might forget sometimes that you even are wearing a watch. When it comes to the materials, we have the case and the bezel made of resin, so the entire watch basically is made of resin. We have the strap also made of resin. The display is also resin. This is going to be really cool to polish in case you get it scratched. When it comes to the back, this is going to be stainless steel, as all these models have. The max length is going to be 145 to 205 millimeters. So the smallest they recommend 145 and the largest 205 millimeters. And then we can talk about the functions. So we have the alarm, the stopwatch, and then the setting of time and date. The light is going to be the same weak lateral light that the F91W also has. And as you can see, we can switch between the 12 and 24-hour display with the right button, as you would do on the other ones as well. So basically you get, let's say, a modern reinterpretation of the Casio F91W with a different dial design, and then we also have different colors that you can see right here, a different design maybe of the case as well. So this is how the watch looks on the wrist. I really like how it looks. That blue and red really pops out, and the fact that it has more vibrant colors, it makes it pop out even more. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters, so a medium-sized wrist, and the watch fits me perfectly. As I mentioned, you can go smaller and even bigger. It is going to fit. And this is the side-by-side comparison with the Casio F91W. So yeah, I would say that you should definitely go and grab both of these because they really look quite interesting. And I really like to have the original ones of the OG and let's say more modern interpretation that still has, for example, that weak light. That is something that might be cool for some of you, and some others might not enjoy it. So guys, that was the quick unboxing that I had for you today. Let me know if any of you guys have the W59. How are you enjoying it? Do you like it more than the F91W or other versions of the watch? Are you okay with the weak lateral light that it has? Does it, I don't know, give you F91W vibes or something? I would really like to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoy these types of videos, these small unboxing videos, watch reviews, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Once again, make sure to leave a comment. And also guys, if you're looking to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.